Why is nobody talking about how Ojukwu unalived Ifeajuna at the age of 32?
Emeka,
I don't think you should call me that anymore. Not in the short time you have left. You are a soldier, and I, your commander-in-chief.
may I ask one last favor, sir? As a friend.
Go ahead. If I can, I will.
My family, they have nothing to do with this. Please do not harm them.
I told you, I always look after my own.
Thank you, sir.
On the 25th of September 1967, Ifeajuna, the first black African to win an individual gold in any sports, who was also part of the coup plotters led by Major Kaduna Nzogu, was unalived alongside 3 other officers. Ifeajuna and the other officers were reportedly caught fraternizing with the Nigerian troops in such a way that raised suspicion. General Ojukwu accused them of plotting against and trying to sabotage the fight for Biafra.
I want you to tell me, here, man to man, no lies, no gimmicks. Why, man? Gịnị ka mere eji betray m? What went wrong? What happened? What made you lose faith in the cause? In our cause, in the cause of our people? Hey, in my Vancouver!
They denied the charges of treason and explained that they were only trying to save lives and the Republic of Biafra by negotiating early ceasefire with the federal government and reuniting Nigeria.
What were your intentions? What were your plans? What were you thinking?
This war should not be happening, Emeka, and you know it. Our people have suffered too much to be dragged to face the might of the world with a ragtag army, no navy, no air force, nothing. For God's sake, Emeka, we don't even have enough guns or food. What were you thinking?
If you and Uzogu had not unleashed your unique brand of madness last January, we wouldn't be swimming in Biafran blood.
It was a revolution! And every Nigerian with a conscience understood what we were trying to do.
Their explanation did not sit well with Ojukwu, so he ordered their execution.
There is a way, there is another way to end this. You cannot win this war. The stakes are too high, Emeka. But there is another way that you can save them and give them hope. Negotiate and surrender to the Nigerian army.
Surrender? Clearly you are mad.
It is the only way, Emeka, and you know it.
Never. You hear me? Never. Things will not work the way you and your January 15 boys want them to.
According to some insiders, executing them was a tough decision for Ojukwu, but he had to do it as a stern warning to anyone who planned to be a saboteur. The other officers were Victor Banjo, who was 37 years old, and the oldest, Philip Alele and Sam Agbam. Tell me in the comments if it was fair for Ojukwu to have executed Ifeajuna.